Good morning, everyone. I am Arya Pratap Singh of class 11 and I am your commander today. Students, now it's time for Gayatri Mantra. Join your hands and close your eyes for Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra start. Students, now Students, now it's time for thought. Today's thought will be said by Karthik Tulsian of Standard 10C.
Pride goes before a fall. Good morning, everyone, respected Principal Madam, scholastic teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Karthik Tulsian of Class 10, stand here to explain a thought before you. We should never be proud of our possessions. We should quietly acknowledge our skills and use them for our progress and the service of others. If we are excessively proud of what we own, the very thing we brag about will bring about our downfall. Nothing in this world belongs to us in the final reckoning. So, why should we be proud? Whatever wealth we accumulate during our lifetime should be used for the benefit of the others. The tree in the forest is not proud of its produce. Instead, it freely gives its produce to the birds, the animals, the insects, and man. It is only the man who is vain, who loves to boast and show off his worldly possessions to others. Ultimately, however, he has to leave everything behind while his body is left to burn or decay. So I want to conclude my thought by saying that to be proud is to be foolish, to be humble is to be wise. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Today's news will be read out by Neil Gope of Standard.
Good morning, everyone present here. Today's top news headlines are national news. India successfully test fires BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from INS Chennai. International news. Nokia wants to put 4G on moon and NASA may make it happen. Sports news. Mohun Bagan FC get I-League trophy after 7 months. Fans frenzy on street. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Students, now we will have a small oath taking and a speech on conservation of water by Anushka Mukherjee of Standard Class 5 and Anubhav Chatterjee of Class 5.
Water, water, everywhere, but not a single drop to drink. Good morning, everyone, and all present here. Today, I, Anubhav Chatterjee of Class 5B, is going to conduct an oath on conservation of water as an ISA activity. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. By H. Auden. Water is priceless gift of nature. So save it for future. Save water and it will save you. It's time to care before water evaporates into thin air. No water, no life. No blue, no green. Thank you for listening me so patiently and have a nice day ahead.
We, the people of India, are pledging to make small, sustainable changes in our daily life to conserve our precious resource, water. When we save water, we are saving our Mother Earth and our environment. We are saving those species that survive on water. Children, now it is the time for taking position for the oath. Children, take that position. I pledge to save water every day. Use it wisely and not waste it away. I will save every drop I can. Water, a priceless treasure. Save it with pleasure.
Now we will have physical exercise. Today's physical exercise will be students. Now it's time for national anthem. Get ready for national anthem. National anthem start. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you for all for joining today's assembly. Have a great day ahead.